Qualtek 739W-X255 and 739W-X245 NEMA tamper-resistant convenience outlets with IDC terminations enable quick, tool-free installation into outlet strips, pop-up power outlets, UPSs, industrial applications, and more. The 739W-X255 and 739W-X245 receptacles are rated for 20 and 15 amps respectively at 125 volts AC. They feature a nylon housing with a snap-in mounting design for quick installation in panels from 0.8 to 2.0 millimeters thick, and they use the same compact panel cutout as other 739W series outlets. The backside IDC terminations eliminate the need for special tooling during installation, allowing the installer to simply align the conductors and snap in the back cover to complete the installation. The outlets include a built-in shutter system to prevent foreign objects from being inserted into the slots and touching live contacts.